This kata is called the XOR logical operator. What do we have to do here? Well, we have two conditions and we have to return false if both conditions are false, true if either of the conditions are true, and false if both of the expressions evaluate true. How in the hell can you use this in practice? Let's say, for example, that you have two soccer teams and you ask yourself the question, hey, is either of them winner of the championship? If both are not the winner, you say, well, false. Neither of them is the winner. On the other hand, if either of them is the winner of the championship, you have to return true. Either team A or team B is the winner. And in the last example, you can't say both are winner of the championship. There's only one winner of the championship. So in such a case, you have to return false as well. How can we do that in Python? Well, let's, for example, that we say print A and print not A. Yeah, so as you can see, if you print not A, you negate the expression. In other words, you turn a true into a false and a false into a true. And this is what we have to use. Let's say the following. Print A and not B. And that means A has to be true and B has to be false. Or not A, which means A has to be false and B has to be true. Let's test that. Looks good. Let's replace the print statement by return statement. And test it out. Yeah, in such a case, we get the result that we're looking for. But we have a bitwise operator as well in Python to do this action for us, and that's actually the caret. You place it in between the arguments, and this will perform the same evaluation. Let's attempt it, and there we go. Hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao!